Sound the alarm, folks. Sound the alarm, because the Bitcoin price is breaking out of what could be an absolutely gigantic bull flag pattern formation with a target that we have to discuss in depth right here on today's stream. So let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. If you are subscribed to this channel, then this breakout should not have come as a surprise to you, because we have been closely following this channel right here, this horizontal ping pong range of resistance along the top and support along the bottom. And I was telling you guys that I was just sitting here waiting like a ninja in the shadows, preparing to strike like a cobra out of the grass and potentially get this crypto when we either broke to the upside or to the downside. And folks, right here right now, it does appear that we could possibly be seeing this bullish breakout to the upside right now. So from here, where are we going? Let's take a look. We need to pay close attention to what winds up happening here over the next 24 to 48 hours. Bitcoin generally does have a tendency to see a pullback after breaking to a new high. I mean, you've seen it time and time again here, right? Break up, dump, break up, dump, over here, break up, dump. I'm not saying that has to occur this time, but it's at least possible. And the most important area for me to watch is going to be this old resistance range here, basically from about 63,000 up to about 64,000. If we do wind up seeing a dump down to this range and the bulls are able to step back in, form a base, and then look to push up again, folks, this could be very, very strong here. I mean, seeing a potential bull flag breakout, which we're going to discuss in a moment, and then seeing a potential back test of old resistance turn into new support to then possibly confirm the pattern and break higher would be essentially exactly what all of the bullish speculators in this market would be looking for, in my opinion. And the reason I'm saying that is because if this is going to wind up playing out as a bull flag pattern formation, the target, folks, in my opinion, is all the way up here at or around 90,000 USD. And if you're new to pattern trading and you don't understand what this is, well, we take the size of the flagpole up, we then clone it, right? We just took the size of this, we bring it over to the breakout point, and you can see that that does give us an extrapolated potential target up at around 90K. Also in confluence with this is the 1.618 Fibonacci extension target. You could see I took the fib tool, I dragged it from that high to this low, and this does give us a 1.618 fib extension target up at about 88,000. So we do have two very critical potential targets right here, one at 88K and another at 90,000 USD. If you are appreciating me showing you these targets thus far, if you could just hit the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for that. And if you're brand new, welcome to the most must-see Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all right now so you do not miss any more of these important Bitcoin updates. And with these potential targets up here, folks, this is looking pretty nice from a bullish perspective, in my opinion, because this is all uncharted territory up here, right? We don't have any prior price data up here. So in my opinion, what speculators start to look at are things like this, right? We have a fib extension target. We have the potential measured move of this flagpole, right? That's really all we have to go off. So if the price does see a springboard jump up into uncharted territory, I mean, there's really blue skies ahead, in my opinion, until we are to reach an area where there at least is some confluence from a technical perspective. Of course, that doesn't have to happen. That is only a speculative opinion and hypothesis of mine. I'm just stating that if we get up into this range here, the only area of interest that I see from a technical perspective is between 88,000 and 90,000. Let's get this crypto. But now, just to cover all the bases here, I would quickly like to talk about what could happen here if we see a dump, what else I would be looking for if this is just a fake out and if we plunge. Okay, so we're going to talk about that in just a moment, and I'll update you with my tentative strategy that I'm looking to potentially play here to potentially capture the majority of this move if we are to see a break up, etc., etc. So let's get into that right now. And of course, if you are interested in all of my strategy ideas, entry ideas, potential take profit ideas, everything just like that in absolute real time, I do post all of that exclusively for you in VIP. So if you're not already in my VIP, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from Average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's go. Now let's say we dump. Obviously, as I pointed out earlier, we want to see this range here between 64K and 63K hold. That would be super bullish in my opinion. A back test to that range and a springboard, extremely bullish. But what happens if we drop lower? I mean, realistically, folks, to me, anything at this point, down to even 60,000 in this whole general vicinity here, as long as we don't see the price action drop below this orange line down at about 59,000, I really do think it's possible here that this is all bullish consolidation. We haven't really seen any type of sharp sell-off after retesting our old prior all-time high, right? We tested it, we broke to a new all-time high. Sure, we dumped, but we quickly recovered, and now for weeks on end, we've just been trading sideways. When you see the price break up so dramatically like this, and then it cools off and all it's doing is trading sideways, per classical technical analysis theory, that's considered potentially bullish consolidation, right? If we saw the price go up, drop quite a bit, and just consolidate lower in the trend, this would be very different here than it is seeing the consolidation up here where it is in the current day. I hope that makes sense. And one other thing that I'm going to be looking at here for potential support to come in if we are to see a dump is the Keltner channels indicator here on the 1-day time frame. If you're not familiar with the Keltner channels indicator, it's something I've followed extensively here on this stream for quite some time. So again, make sure you subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all so you do not miss any more of these. Throughout the entire Bitcoin bull run, we saw the majority of the price action testing the upper portion of the band, right? And when we saw dumps, they generally found support in the lower portion of the band. Then when it switched into the bearish decline after our roughly 65K top over here, it turned and the opposite became true. The majority of the price action was trading in the lower portion of the band, and we were seeing resistance in the upper portion of the band. This changed here once again when we got this rounding bottom turn here at about 30K, right? Action once again, trading and testing at the top of the band with support being found in the lower portion of the band. Right now, as you can see on this run, all of the action has still been at the top of the band, very similar to what we saw over here on our last push up and over here throughout this entire bull rally. Now, we're looking at a situation where if we are to see a drop here, I would tentatively still be looking for support to be found if this bull run's going to continue, right? It's possible, it's always possible that it could turn into a bearish decline, right? It could turn. There are no certainties or guarantees in trading. But if this is going to be a continued bull rally here, right now the bottom Keltner channel line is nearly at about 56,000. So if we are still to see the price action either move up here or consolidate sideways up above 65K, over the next several days, we should still see this Keltner channel bottom line continue to climb up here. And if we are to see this line get closer and closer to this orange consolidation area, folks, this would be very nice in my opinion, as it would further my bullish thesis here that anything down here to about 60,000 is still potentially bullish from a macro perspective for the Bitcoin price. Now, if we are to dump below there, could this act as a saving grace? Sure, it's possible, but as I stated earlier, I really would like to see the price action continue to trade above this orange line here at about 59,000. Sure, technically, at that point, we would be in the bottom portion of the band, right? So it's not all out the window at that point. If we were to test to the bottom there, it still is within the confines of the bottom band. And hey, if we do continue to see this move up, we should see absolute and utter confluence here with the bottom portion of the band meeting perfectly with this area of old resistance slash support, which hopefully will continue to act as support if we dump down into it before a possible springboard up towards our potential target region of 88 to 90K. Oh, let's get this crypto. So folks, right now, as you can tell, I am speculating bullish. Okay, right now, I just don't see many indicators in the chart suggesting to me that there is some bearish occurrence happening right now. Of course, that's subject to change at any time, and that's just my opinion, right? For all we know, tomorrow it could go whoopsies and dump deep down into the crypto abyss. I just want it to be known that from my perspective and in my opinion right now, this is looking like we could possibly see another impulse move to the upside. And if this is in fact to play out, I would like to position myself to potentially capture the majority of that potentially life-changing move. So right now, as I told you earlier, folks, I will be posting all of my real-time trade setup ideas, strategy ideas, entry ideas, potential take profit ideas, where I'm looking to potentially put my stop loss, everything just like that in absolute real time for this very move as the dawn looks to potentially strike gold again. So if you are not already in my VIP and you would like to see all of that real-time exclusive content, I will be posting all of that exclusively for you there. So if you are not already in my VIP, seriously, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Do not miss my next important real-time VIP post. And folks, if you did enjoy here today, all I ask for is if you could just smash that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for that. And if you're brand new, you see what you get. Welcome to the most must-see Bitcoin technical analysis show on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all, as you cannot afford to miss any more of these important Bitcoin updates. And folks, until next time, I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. The dawn has spoken. Be safe. Be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and/or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.